Khyber Pakhtunkhwa studying Ashar. My name is Siraj Salman and I am here to give the presentation on the UBL Islamic Banking, and my rest of group members, Muhammad Mateen Ahmed, Ruqayya Bibi cannot come here due to some personal problem. Muhammad Adnan Khan and Arslan Ahmed will come here for UBL Amin account. First of all, I will tell you the history of UBL. UBL was established in November 7, 1959, and now it has 1121 domestic branches and 17 overseas branches, and its head office is in Karachi. Now, UBL has assets of rupees 620 billion and a solid track record of 50 years in addition to the convenience of over 1100 online branches serving you throughout the country and also at several overseas locations. Its board of directors is Tariq Karmani, is his chairman, Mr. Muhammad Ali, chief executive, and remaining Muhammad Hanif Khan, Ali Sangeet, Saeed Iqbal, Raymond H. Kotwal, Shabir Hussain Hashmi are its directors. Its vision is to provide exceptional products and services based on Islamic doctrine and to cater to all religions, races and colors, ethnicity and cultures in the true spirit of equality, to be change agent in the global financial industry aiming at ethical solutions. Its mission is, we at UBL Amin will strive to attain the premier position in the Islamic banking industry by providing our customers with personalized services, exceptional value and a sense of security by catering to all their financial needs through Sharia compliant products and services. Core values. Core values are those values which are very necessary in these days, because there is a saying that courtesy costs nothing but pays a lot. So keeping these things in mind, our core values are respect, excellence, customer focus, quality and honesty. Basis of Islamic banking. Now I come to my topic, basics of Islamic banking. Islamic banking is the banking activity that is according to the Sharia and the rules of Islamic laws and according to the laws of Islam. So Islamic laws are payment, there is no fixed interest, acceptance or payment in Islam. It is about from the previous forecasting. So if there is any fixed payment or acceptance, this is called the riba. What is riba? Then question arises, what is riba? Riba is a loan where a borrower promises that he will pay the amount more than which he takes from the person. So it is prohibited in Islam. Allah Ta'ala says in Quran Sharif, Surah Baqarah, Allah has permitted trade and prohibited riba. There are many hadith mubarakah about this. Every loan that draws any premium is riba. So these are the basic business model of Islamic bank. There is a difference between Islamic banking and the conventional banking. In conventional banking, it is about there is a fixed rate of interest and that is prohibited in Islam, that is called riba and other thing. But in Islamic banking, it is about the previous month rates, and there are all previous activities you have to pay bank pay according to that things. So Islamic banking business, there are the following are the instruments. This is called Mudarba. First is Mudarba. In Mudarba, one party invests 100% capital and the other comes from his complementary skills and knowledge, and if the person that invests is called Rabiul Mal and the person who comes with his skills called Mudarib. Next is Ijra. Ijra is just like a lease. You get from the you have to pay from the use of the services or the benefit. And the Musharaka, in which two or more parties come with the capital, and they also both the parties give something, and skills also come skills. All the parties come with the skills and they distribute the profit according and loss according to the scoop. Then there is the scoop. Scoop is the Islamic bond. In scoop, it is the name of financial certificate. It is a plural word derived from the singular is sak. So scoop is an Islamic bond. Islam does not in Muslim bonds. However, fixed income instead bearing bonds are not permissible in Islam. Hence, scoop are securities that comply with the Islamic law and its investment principles, which prohibit the charging or paying of interest. So Islamic banking institution are Mudarba pool managed by bank, mode of deposit funding like PLS saving account, equity, investment account holders, individuals, corporate, small industrial scales and the public sector. So these are the things from it starts from the income, then goes to the profit, and finally the depositor withdraw their profit. So this is the be all and end all of my presentation. So unfortunately our one member we cannot come here due to the temperature. So I have to give the presentation on behalf of her. What is UBL mean? Our main topic is that UBL mean. UBL mean Islamic banking already reaches out to diverse segments of society by offering a complete and comprehensive range of Sharia compliant financial products and services. It is our aspiration to become your bank choice. We at UBL Amin have engaged the best possible resources to provide our clients the ultimate in Sharia compliant banking solution. Our products are customized not only to suit the diverse requirements of our customers, but are also designed in the strict compliance with the norms of Sharia. Deposit products of UBL Amin. Amin current account, Amin business account, UBL Amin Visa debit ATM card, Amin investment account, Amin saving account, Amin certificate of Islamic investment. There are some silent features of the deposit products, name of products, Amin current account, Amin savings account and Amin certificate of Islamic investment. First of all, there is the underlying Islamic mode, there is card and Amin saving account, there is Mudarba and Amin certificate, there is the Mudarba. Acceptability currency, Pakistan rupees, in all three there are Pakistani rupees and the minimum balance requirement is rupees 100 and in 100 in Amin current account and saving account and finally in Islamic investment certificate is 10,000 standard minimum and maximum in Amin current account is not applicable, Amin savings account not applicable and Amin Islamic investment 1 month to 8 years. Profit calculation frequency is not applicable in Amin current account and Amin saving account monthly AVG balance and Amin certificate of Islamic investment is monthly. Periodicity of profit distribution not applicable in current account, Amin savings account semi-annually and Amin certificate of Islamic investment semi-annually. UBL Amin certificate of Islamic investment. If you are looking for avenues to invest your money and earn higher profit along with the satisfaction that your funds have been utilized in Sharia compliant channels, UBL Amin certificate of Islamic investment are the perfect choice. Our UBL Amin certificates of Islamic investment truly Islamic. The question arises here, जो UBL Amin certificates of Islamic investment is taken under Sharia compliance terms of Mudarba. We as Mudari pool your funds together with our depositors funds and invest them for a profitable return. Because we manage a large pool comprising many different investments, we reduce individual risk and further mitigate them through takaful and of course very close monitoring. This is why we generally make profit for the management of our pooled fund. We share the profit with you, but if there is a loss, we bear the loss in terms of the cost of the managing the pool. Profit at maturity. Features of certificate of Islamic investment. Minimum amount to purchase a certificate is rupees 10,000. Available in certificate ranging from 1 month to 8 years. Its rate are 1 month. Profit and maturity 1 month less than rupees 10,159,000 is equal to 8.24%, 2 months less than rupees 10 million and is equal to 8.50% and above is equal to 9%. 3 months less than rupees 10 million is equal to 9% and above is equal to 9.5%. 6 months less than rupees 10 million is equal to 9.25% and above is equal to 10%. 1 year less than rupees 10 million is equal to 10.25% and above is equal to 10.5%. 2 years less than rupees 10 million is equal to 10.4% and above is equal to 10.50%. 4 years less than rupees 10 million and above is equal to 10.75%. 5, 6, 7, 8 years less than rupees 10 and above is equal to 11.25%. Rates. Monthly profit minimum amount to purchase a certificate rupees 1 lakh available in the certificate ranging from 1 to 8 years. 1 year is equal to 9.50%, 2 years 9.45%, 3 years 9.40%, and 6 years 9.30. Semi-annually rates are the following: minimum amount to purchase a certificate rupees 50,000 available in certificates ranging from 1 to 8 years. 1 year, 2 years, 9.50, and there are space in front of 1 year, so it means that अभी तक UBL अमीन के पास ऐसी कोई ट्रांजैक्शन नहीं आई गई, इसके मुताबिक रेट नहीं हो सके, क्योंकि ये जो सारी UBL अमीन की सारी जितनी भी ट्रांजैक्शन है ये पिछले रिकॉर्ड के मुताबिक फोरकास्टिंग होती है, दैट्स व्हाई वो भी तक इस पे नहीं आई, तो रेट नहीं है इसका। 2 ईयर 9.5%, 3 ईयर का कोई रेट नहीं है, 4 ईयर 9.75%, एंड फाइनली 6 ईयर 10%। And now I would like to call Adnan Khan to have a nice time with these decent scholars. Best of luck and have a nice time.